You're going to love the 2004 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Volkswagen infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, front and rear cup holders, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.